Hey, good morning, guys. How's it going? Welcome to Trade Confident. All right, guys, for those of you who are in the Telegram channel, I apologize if I made things confusing this morning, but I'm going to clear everything up in this video. Okay. For those of you guys who are brand new, we're going to go over mana. We're going to look at the price prediction. Are we actually going to be coming up here and are we going to hit, I would say 360? That's kind of the next target we're looking at. Or are we going to come back down here kind of to this ascending support line? Let's draw this really quickly on the chart here. This ascending support line that we're looking at is right around this level here, which we could be coming back down to. The most accurate prediction I can see is probably right around that $3 mark, which is called a whole number, and then we start moving back up, okay? We're going to dive into that and see what we can see with the indicators as well as the metrics. But let me talk to you guys about this. We just won our 109th win in a row. We are 109 wins for 0 losses. Okay, this was actually on the mana trade we ended up getting into. Let me show you guys a last minute update that I did. So here was the update, guys. Originally, the buy limit on mana was a little bit lower. And then I actually came out and said, hey guys, I know the buy limit is lower, but I want a market order in right now for 25% to get into this market. That, when I made that Telegram post, we were right at 318, 392. Okay, right when that Telegram post came out. So that's where the first buy limit was because I decided to market order in. I will not do that very often. I think this is literally I think it's maybe my second time out of all 109 trades I've done that. Anyways, so we got in. Great. Everyone got excited. We literally got picked up right at the bottom. I was looking at this and I'm like, guys, I think we're going to go up. So a lot of people joined me on this. Great job, guys. So then we started seeing a move up here and we ended up getting, obviously higher up here to around this 340 somewhere at the top there. And then we ended up originally having our first exit here was at 330. And then I put the stop loss at 318, which was our entry. And then another update I came out with and I said, okay, guys, this is heading pretty high. Let's just take our stop loss and move it up here to where we exit our original 50%. And that's what you guys see here on February 16th for both of these. And we took a profit of 3.81% on both those. So you guys did fantastic. Now, this morning, this trade is obviously closed and it's come back down because our stop loss is hit. Now, this morning, what I'm going to show you guys is literally what the next trade setup is. I've never done this on the video because I keep it private for our members, but I'm going to show you guys this is the exact trade setup that I have my money in right now. It has not been hit yet. I want to make this very clear, guys. The buy limits that updated this morning for 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The first one's going to be at 318.96. The second one is 251, 181, and then 130. You guys, if you want, this is the only time you'll ever be able to get this data because we keep it private for our members, but you can enter in this trade with me, and once this comes back down and hits this, I will be calling an exit for you guys in the Telegram channel. So these are the official updated buy limits for anybody who wants to join us. And obviously, if you're watching this video, we haven't hit this yet. So everyone has plenty of time to join us on this trade. And I have not been picked up on this yet. I want to make that very clear. Okay, sorry, that was a long intro. Let's dive into the actual analysis today and let's see what we can actually predict here. So what I'm looking at is starting off with the trend dashboard here. Most retail trader indicators here are actually looking very bullish. So this morning, I expect retail traders to continue to look at this market as an overall uptrend and looking to buy this market back up here. Okay, that's what I'm looking at as far as retail traders. And what's nice about this that we don't usually see a lot of times is if you come down here and look at the two indicators we're using to actually predict market moves up and down, the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion is now getting pretty close to the bottom red section where this is where I'm looking for the bounce back up as well. So we've kind of got some nice things going for us here where retail traders and our indicators, which we usually trade against them, they're kind of pairing up this morning. Now, let me make a statement about this because I know some people are going to ask me, Travis, what is going on with the well money flow? The well money flow is pushing up here going high and the trend exhaustion is moving down here. Well, what's happening is people are buying this up like crazy right now. Even this dip right here, they are buying up. So this is why I don't know if we're going to actually see a crazy crash on mana. Overall, this is actually pretty bullish, guys. Like it honestly should have headed down further, but it didn't. I'll give you even more proof of this looking at the market cap here in 1 second. So we'll take a look at that. But we have not got hit yet. What I think is going to happen here is that we're going to see a little bit more of a move back down, possibly to this ascending support line right around $3. You guys can see that right there. And then that's going to push the trend exhaustion in the bottom red section. The well money flow is going to come down low here. And that is where we're going to see a push back up here. And we're probably going to get back into the profit. And it's most likely going to be our 110th win in a row. Okay? These indicators, guys, you need to be getting on your charts to predict these moves down. Look at this real quick and I'll go over to the metrics. Trend exhaustion in the top red section, well money flow high. What are we expecting? I'm not expecting a continuation up. I'm looking for that move back down. Okay, previous time, trend exhaustion in the top red section here, well money flow very high. Where is this? Let's look at this. It's right around this place right up here. What were you doing? It's not a time to take long trades, guys. You need to wait for the dip back down like we did, got into this, and then we rode this back up. I just showed you guys that trade. That's why we didn't market order and FOMO into this. We were patient because the indicators told us to be. Again, looking at this over here, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, guys. It's called the drop there. And then if you guys are my scalpers out there and you saw the trend exhaustion in the bottom red section and the well money flow low and you guys got into this market, woo, you guys made a ton of money on that move. So great job, guys. Fantastic. And then if you guys got down here on this move here or even this one here, this is these two positions right here and right here. You guys, if you're scalping, you are obviously in the profit this morning and you're doing really well. I would look to take some profit. Okay, guys? Overall, I would highly recommend you guys use the buy limit strategy because this will give you far better risk management than trying to scalp the markets. I'm just showing you guys a couple different ways you can use this because a lot of people have been wanting to know how you can scalp the markets. And people are making literally, we've had a trader do tens of thousands of dollars. Literally tens of thousands, not hundreds, tens of thousands. Yes, he has a bigger account. I want to make that very clear, but you can scalp with these indicators and they're very, very accurate. Okay. All right, let's go over to the metrics, guys. These are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is literally 5 minutes here. So we're basically working with fresh raw data here. Real quick, guys, access all of our buy limits, all of our trade setups, everything, all of our metrics you guys can get in right now. Snag your membership and secure your spot. I'm serious about this, guys. We are upping this membership to $95 a month, basically doubling this in 8 days. 8 days, guys. That's it. All members who are currently in our program over here or trading with us, everyone who signs up today, you guys will not have the membership go up in price on you. It will stay at $49 a month for as long as you want to hold your membership. This will go up. Watch the website on February 25th. This will go up to $95. Okay, I want to make that very clear to everybody. Okay, access the Telegram channel with this as well as the inner circle and the master classes and all the metrics. So let's dive into the metrics this morning. Come over here to trade metrics and setups, and let's scroll down to Decentraland, okay? Decentraland, good data this morning that we're looking at, okay? Look at this, emotional index. We're seeing that we're pushing to the neutral section here. Watch this morning to see what happens here. Most likely what we're going to see is probably a little bit of a continuational move down here to the anxious side because we saw a little bit more of a dip. So this is good. This tells me retail traders are getting a little bit more anxious in the market, which is a great time to be buying, guys, just FYI. All right, moving down here, looking at market cap strength. This is bullish. Guys, this is bullish. I love seeing this. You watch this a lot on the charts here, but something's happening. Do you see what happened right here? And do you see what happened right here? This is what's called divergence. Now, let me explain this because you need to understand how to read this chart because it's a little bit different. It's a new metric we have. The price structure, this right here, is in white. The green line is the percent of the overall market cap that Mana holds. Compared/relative to the entire market cap, okay? It currently holds, if you come over here and you go just straight left over here, it holds right about, let me look at this on the chart, let me get a little bit closer. It holds about 0.32% of the entire market cap. Okay, that's not really relative. This is what I want to show you guys. As price was moving down here, okay, I'm talking about this move right here, okay? You guys saw that? This is the big dip and then the move up. This is the big dip and then move back up. Okay, as price is moving down here, we actually see the market cap increasing for Mana. Do you know what this means? This means that people are getting very interested in Mana right now. I know this because market cap cannot increase on a coin. Listen, market cap cannot increase on a coin unless money is being taken out of other coins because this is relative to the overall crypto market. So this tells me people are abandoning other coins and selling out other coins and placing it into Mana on the drop back down. This tells me interest is increasing for another move back up. Why would people put more money into a coin if they thought it was going to crash? Okay, maybe some big whales know something out there we don't, but this is a bullish sign in all aspects. If money's flowing into this coin and out of others because it's moving up and it's relative to the overall market, this shows an increased buying interest, hands down, no debates. Okay, this is why I do think it's a great time to get into this trade here, and let's see if we can ride this back up to make some profits. Now, it's not a guarantee that the market will go up, not a guarantee, but it is an indication, a metric, an indicator that we're seeing increased interest in Mana over other coins because because they're moving out of other coins, moving into mana. This is good, guys. This is good. All right, let's take a look at this. Trades in favor here, pushing into the neutral section. All right, neutral. We're not heading up really high. We're not blasting off. We're not also breaking down here. So best thing to do, set up your buy limits. Literally, you guys can get into this trade right now, get our membership, and follow me in Telegram, and I'll call an exit for you guys when we exit this, and you guys will make money. It'd be pretty cool. Well, in institutional smart money, take a look at this, guys. If there's no better metric I have found to call to predict what wells and institutions are doing. Guys, I've coached institutions, I've coached wells who have literally got calls from people who are, celebrities in Las Vegas. I won't mention their names. They're like, look, Travis, I got $10 million I want to put in the market. What do we do? I'm like, here's what I look at. Look at the well and institutional smart money. Hedge funds that contact us. Guys, look at the well and institutional smart money. When retail traders are getting excited and greedy in the market and the price is moving up here, you need to understand that institutions are going to do the opposite. Short trades, boom. Dropping the price tag back down, they're making money, you're losing money. Institutions making money on shorts, you guys are losing money on longs, okay? It's because you are trading emotionally, not with smart money and institutions, is why you guys are losing trades. Look at what happens now when the market gets very anxious down here. Look at this. Let me show you guys. This is from an emotional perspective. As this started moving down here, we started getting very close to the anxious section here, right? You guys see that? That is on this dip. While retail traders are clearly selling in the market here, even institutions, guys, not all institutions know how to trade with smart money. They came out here and they came long here on the smart money. That is where you guys got in. That's what we did. We bought in on this dip because I saw this and we all made money and we just won our 109th trade in a row. Now, what's happening? We saw previously that we saw that long trade and we saw a move up. Now we're seeing short trades and we're seeing the precursor of this move back down. Guys, just follow this metric and you will do so much better. Check all of our metrics before you enter or exit a trade, and I think you guys will far accelerate your trading experience and honestly your profits, because that's what this ultimately relates to in the end. Okay, let's take a look at this, guys. Support and resistance prices. It's so cool to see this trade setup up here. It's kind of fun to show you this to you guys. So this is literally live. You guys can take this. So anyways, I've never done it before. It just kind of feels neat and cool. All right, support and resistance prices, 355. All right, 355, guys. This is the target I was talking about in the beginning of the video. This weekend, could we hit up here around 355? Yes, I absolutely believe 355 is in the cards for us for this weekend. If you were to say, Travis, are we going to hit 355 or are we going to crash back down to structure support? Like I told you guys, $3 or structure support at 272. I would say we have a far higher chance of hitting 355 than we have hitting structure support. It's the battle of resistance and support right now, and I believe this is a greater chance to head up than it is down. Trend exhaustion's low. Well, money flow could be moving a little bit lower. That's where I'm looking for the springboard action back up in the market to get some money out of this. Dollar cost average entries, guys. An incredible entry came out for you guys literally at the bottom here for you guys to make money. So scalpers, good job. You made money. People following me, you made money. People in dollar cost average, you made money. Like, you couldn't have not made money if you followed us in the last 5 days on this channel with any of our coins. We won them all, okay? So all the trades we ended up taking in the last 2 weeks, we won all those, and now we're back in them. So exit points here. What I'm watching for now, guys, be careful and listen to this, is as the market starts moving up here, I am going to be looking for the exit when we see this red bar come out. Also, what I'm looking for is this move back down on mana, and then once the trend exhaustion comes back up here to the top red section, and well money flow comes back up here, that's where I'm looking to call an exit. So if we get into this market, guys, and we're all in this together right now, if we come back down here and we get taken into this trade here at 318, let's call it 319, because if you put this into Coinbase, it's going to want to round up. So can we call this 319? Is that okay? So once this goes to 319, I'm going to be looking for an exit around structure high here, which is going to be about 10 to 11%. We're going to rinse and repeat and just do this again. That's all we're going to do. I made about $159. I calculated yesterday with the team. Made $159 in the last trade for mana. Okay, we're just going to do that again. All right. Coming down here, I don't need to show this to you guys because literally this is just an exact copy over of what all the buy limits are for the trades here. And I went to the third decimal on some of these because, once you go out to the sixth and seventh decimal, it's just ridiculous. Coinbase won't even calculate it. So this is an exact copy, so I won't even show this to you. But let me just go over how we trade this so you guys can understand this. This is actually a rare opportunity you will ever see. Okay, if you guys want to do this morning and literally take this trade with us, because we're going to take this and I'm in this with you guys, let's say you have $1,000. Okay, take your $1,000 and split it into 4 equal portions, $250. Okay, $250 is going to go at each of the 4 buy limits, okay? Now, place this $250 at the 4 buy limits, and then once that's hit the first buy limit, set up a sell limit in your exchange for 100% exit. So once this first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to set a sell limit up for 393. Yes, 393 is way up here. That's in case we skyrocket up here. Most likely, guys, I'm going to call an exit in Telegram before we hit this. But just in case I'm sleeping or you are sleeping and this thing just decides to skyrocket up here, you want to make sure you've taken some money and you've set it aside into a sell limit, which is 100%, to make sure you capture those profits, okay? All right. Now, once you guys have that set up, follow me in the Telegram channel. Here's the link right here. You guys can access it right there. It's also on the top menu of our website. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then make sure you guys are clicking right here. That will give you access into the Telegram channel where I'm going to be calling the exit for this mana trade as well as the AVAX trade that we're getting into this morning as well. Okay, so once you guys do that, make sure you guys have the indicators. I'll leave you guys with this. If you want to use all 4 buy limits, that's totally fine. That's up to your discretion. What I have taught you guys is that if we are at the halfway point between the high and the low, you can go ahead and use 3 buy limits. You choose this morning what you want to use, but do not use anything less than 3 buy limits, guys. If you want to use 3 buy limits on this, that's fine. I think we're going to be okay. I don't think we're going to head back down to, 103, 130 anytime soon. So if you want to use 3 buy limits, be my guest, you can do that, but do not use any less than 3. Okay, so here's the indicators I want you guys to be watching for, because this is how we're going to call an exit on here. The bundle pack is what you guys really want to be getting. I know I talk about this a lot, but literally it's 82% off the entire pack of all of our indicators. If you need to get the ones that you need to trade with me, it's the trend exhaustion, trend dashboard, and price risk money flow. Okay, these are the 3 that you guys need. They're 40% off right now with coupon code Save Money. We have the bundle pack 82% off. Literally Black Friday sale we're doing for like the whole month, and maybe we'll continue this next month. I know we're in a bear market coming out of that, so I want to give you guys a really good discount so you're not having to pay more money. It's just something I want to do to honor you guys. Honestly, this is the best deal you guys can get on indicators. We have the highest win rate, and I'm going to be calling this next exit here with these indicators. When the trend exhaustion gets back up here and the well money flow comes back up, guys, I'm calling that exit, as well as you can use the trend exhaustion and price well money flow to scalp if you guys choose so. All right. Not only are you guys getting the 3 that you need anyways, but you're going to get all the other 6 indicators on top of those 3, giving you guys a total of 9 in the bundle pack. And this is basically the same price for the 3 you're going to pay for anyway. So guys, without a doubt, this is the one you want to get. It's the bundle pack. It's in the description. It's a one-time purchase. It's not a monthly fee. You guys get everything for this. You also get the source codes to the indicators so nobody can take them away from you. Load them on your charts. Get them for life. All right, guys, that's a full update for you guys on Mana. Hopefully this cleared everything up, guys. Exciting trade. You guys literally watching this video, subscribe and like to this channel, guys. If you subscribe to the YouTube channel, it means so much to me. Every video we go into this deep analysis into all of these coins and look at metrics you guys are not going to be able to see on a regular, candlestick chart. So if you guys want this in-depth analysis, go ahead and, click the subscribe button, hit the like button. My team's like, you need to tell people to subscribe and like the button. All right, guys, I'm doing it. Subscribe and hit that like button and turn your notifications on. I haven't said that for so many videos, but anyways, if you guys like this, do that. The main thing to do, guys, is really to get into the membership over here, because this is where you're going to make money. This is where you guys are going to straight up just make money, if I'm going to call it out and be honest with you guys. We are probably going to hit 110 for 110 wins very soon here, and we may actually end up going 120 for 120 wins in the month of February, because we're only halfway through. So make sure you guys are getting our membership over here for $49 a month. Subscribe today. Get in here before it goes up in 8 days, and then you guys will be able to follow me on all the Telegram updates, as well as join us in the inner circle, which is March 10th over here at 3 to 4 p.m. where we're going to go live on Telegram. We're going to go live on Zoom. I'll send the link out in Telegram so you guys can join me. All right, guys, I love you so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. And hopefully you guys are getting excited about this market, because I'm excited. And all of us together as a family can get into this exact same trade. We'll enter it together and we'll exit in the profit together. All right, we'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description. Bye, guys.